What geezers, back with another video. Today we're going to take a look at the Comet Spectacular fireworks selection box by Standard Fireworks. This was produced in 2003-2004. I'm not sure if it was the replacement for the Standard Connoisseur box. I think that last year was around 2003. The contents are pretty similar. I'll be uploading the Connoisseur box and by the end of next week anyway, so you'll be able to see for yourself the similarities between the two boxes. Let's take the lid off and have a look at what's inside. So as you can see, decent selection. If I'll stand up, might make it easier. There you go. So start off with the rockets. You got these Sky Raider rockets, whistling air bombs. There's 4 in a pack. Yeah, so I love little whistling air bomb rockets. Something that's definitely nice to get. Got some sparklers in there. I think there's 3 packs in this box. I think they only came with 2. I might have had a spare one of these and just put it in this box because it was like a loose pack, if I remember correctly. But it was like a couple of years ago I got this box, so I'm not too sure. Yeah, there's this other nice selection of rockets. Mercury satellite rocket selection. So you get a couple of air bombs rockets in here as well. They do have the effects on them. I think the red ones are the air bomb. Let me see if we can get the effect up. So yeah, this one ejects bang. Same as this other one. I think these other ones eject stars. Yeah, that one. The blue one ejects stars. What does the green one do? It's a bit tricky to eject stars. Is the yellow one a bit of a whistling one, is it? I don't know. Let's see. Eject stars as well, yeah. So you got 3 that eject stars and 2 that ejects bangs. Moving on, see, there's a bit of everything in here. This like nice 3-way Roman candle. Used to get these in the standard boxes. You don't really find these anymore. So in the Bright Star you do, but seldom see these. I just like place it in the ground using the pointy wooden bit underneath. There's 2 of them. So you got this one as well. Quite a nice design on these. What else? Pinwheel. Always used to get pinwheels. Red Celestial wheel. There's your nail to get it spinning. There's a bigger wheel under here. It's the Black Cat wheel. Whiz wheel. I think I got one somewhere that I might show when I show a collection of odds and sods. Because that one's open. I don't want to open this one up inside this box. Keep it as it is. What should I show you? Yeah, there's these 2 candles. I mean, not candles, sorry, fountains. There's this jewel fountain and there's this silver rain fountain. These are actually blue touch paper. They've got the visco fuse inserted, but you could take that out and light these with the paper. They'll be decent enough, these. Nice and weighty as well. What else? You got this air bomb battery. Fired this one the other day actually. Well, not the other day, it was about a year ago. when Lee Boy, he came round, we did a firing session, and they just shoot up. They kind of like spin before the report, with like a few like sparks flying about. Pretty cool actually. Not the loudest air bomb though. Then you have this one, Star Shell's battery. Eject stars. Silver Dragon fountain. Galactic Storm. We've got these Roman candles. Crackling Star and Whistling Star. We have a conic fountain, Crackling Cascade. This feels nice and heavy. Not that weight always means everything, but then Bowling Stars. So this one here is a little mine. Well, not that little. Gone for a Burton. Yeah, decent size actually. Emits shower of sparks, then ejects stars. And we have these bigger mines. Bomb Blitz ground mine with bangs, and ground mine golden bees, whistles and stars. So it tells you exactly what they do. Emits shower of sparks and ejects stars and whistles. Emits shower of sparks and ejects bangs. Really nice big weighty mines here. Put those over there. Now finally we have the cakes. You got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Start with these smaller ones. Mine Meteorites produces whistles and bangs. So you get 3, 7, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So little 19 shotters. Moving on. Mine Meteorites produces whistles and bangs. So that's the same one as before, isn't it? There you go. Pair those up. This one's called Star Delight. Produces stars, red, green and silver. All little 5-meter cakes. Then Star Frenzy produces whistles and crackles. Finally, you got the 3 bigger pieces. You can see, bit of a larger bore size on them, about 20mm. Morning Sunrise. Then you have your Jupiter moons. And finally, your twirling torpedoes. This is the heaviest of the bunch, this one. Yep, it's really weighty. Eject stars. So there you have it. You have your 3 larger cakes. Then you have your 4 smaller 19 shotters. You have these little Roman candle batteries, one that's an air bomb. Cool. Tricky getting it in now. There you go. Got this larger wheel. You've got a couple of candles. Couple of fan candles. You got your fountains. There you are. You've got 1, 2, 3 mines, the conic, the pinwheel, and you've got your rockets. There you go. Little whistling airborne rockets and a few plaques of sparklers. So overall, decent garden display in a box. That's the Comet Spectacular.